In today's busy households, the demand for efficient and reliable vacuum cleaners continues to grow. As we move from basic cleaning routines to more specialized needs like dealing with pet hair, allergies, mixed flooring, and compact spaces, finding the right machine is crucial. This guide evaluates each model based on suction and filtration.
List number 1. Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a compelling option for homeowners looking for flexibility and convenience without sacrificing performance. As a cordless stick model, it's ideal for apartments, multi-floors, or homes where maneuverability is key. Key strengths include a lightweight design, easy-to-empty dustbin, and a cordless charge that frees you from outlet constraints. From a performance standpoint, this model includes a decent motor that provides solid suction on both hard floors and low-pile carpeting. According to buying guides, cordless vacuums should be chosen after evaluating battery life, floor type, filtration, and attachments, all elements that Levoit addresses. Filtration is also important. A good vacuum should trap airborne particles, not just pick up visible dust. On the build and usability front, the cordless design means fewer tangles and lighter lifting when moving between rooms or upstairs. However, like many cordless models, you may trade off longer runtime versus a corded upright, especially in larger homes. If your home is mainly hard flooring, or you need a vacuum for quick daily runs.
List number 2. Bissell CleanView Compact Upright Vacuum. The Bissell CleanView Compact Upright Vacuum is a home-friendly upright model that strikes a balance between size, power, and affordability. For those with mixed flooring, hard floors plus low to medium carpet, and looking for a reliable everyday cleaner, this Bissell model is a strong contender. In terms of suction and performance, upright vacuums are often preferred for carpets because they combine motorized brush rolls with higher suction. The CleanView Compact delivers on that promise. It's designed to pick up pet hair, crumbs, and daily debris without requiring heavy lifting or complicated attachments. Build quality and usability also stand out. Being a compact upright means it typically weighs less than full-size models and stores more easily. The Bissell includes handy features such as an extension wand for under furniture and hard-to-reach spots. Buying guides emphasize matching your vacuum to floor type and cleaning schedule. This model does well when your home has both hard floors and carpeting.
List number 3. Shark NV352 Navigator Liftaway Upright Vacuum. The Shark NV352 Navigator Liftaway is a more feature-rich upright vacuum designed for homes with varied surfaces, stairs, maybe pets, and where flexibility is important. One of its key features is the liftaway mode, allowing the canister to detach so you can clean stairs, upholstery, and tricky spaces with ease. In terms of performance, this model delivers strong suction and carpet cleaning power, which is a hallmark of upright designs. As noted, upright vacuums tend to provide the most suction for carpets and rugs. It also incorporates filters and seals designed to help manage allergens, which is important in homes with sensitive occupants. Build and usability, the liftaway feature makes this model more versatile than a standard upright. It includes multiple attachments, a full-size dust cup, and handles transitions between hard floor and carpet fairly smoothly. In terms of value, while it carries a higher price than basic models, the extra functionality and brand reputation make it worth it for those who want one machine to do it all.
List number 4. Eureka NEU10AE5 Bagless Upright Vacuum. The Eureka NEU10AE5 Bagless Upright Vacuum is tailored for value-conscious users who still want a capable upright machine. Its bagless design means you won't need to buy bags, just empty the dustbin when full, and that simplifies ongoing maintenance. On performance, upright vacuums like this one are especially suited for carpets and rugs thanks to their brush roll and strong suction. According to multiple guides, matching your vacuum to your floor types and ensuring good filtration is key. Homes and Gardens offers decent suction for everyday cleaning. For deep cleaning on thick carpets, it may not match top-tier models, but in typical homes, it does the job well. From a build perspective, Eureka has emphasized lightweight uprights in recent years. That means less fatigue when maneuvering around furniture or upstairs. The bagless bin is easy to empty, and maintenance is fairly straightforward. The value proposition here is strong. You get a full upright machine for less money, ideal for apartments, smaller homes, or budget buyers.
List number 5. Eureka PowerSpeed Lightweight Upright Vacuum Cleaner. The Eureka PowerSpeed Lightweight Upright Vacuum Cleaner is another upright model, but with an emphasis on lightness and ease of use. For homes where mobility within the space, moving between rooms, and dealing with multiple floor types is important, this model stands out. In terms of performance, it may not match premium uprights in suction on deep pile carpets, but it handles hard floors, medium piled rugs, and everyday debris quite well. The lightweight design means less strain when pushing around furniture or tackling stairs. Guides emphasize that design and structure, weight, usability are key considerations when choosing a vacuum. The build quality includes standard attachments, a decent dustbin, and basic filtration, making it a good all-rounder. Value-wise, this model hits the sweet spot for households with moderate cleaning needs. You're not paying for the highest possible performance, but you gain good versatility.